Okay, today I'm going to show you how to use the commands that we learned in previous session. So what we are going to do is tree for coffee shop. So I will show you how to create the tree. First of all, you need to draw rectangle. You need to select rectangle from home tab. You can select it right here, or you can write rectangle. So after you write rectangle, you can select and type the value. For this tree, we need to do in 250 millimeter, comma 150. Hit it, create the rectangle we are going. So after the rectangle has been created, we also need to fillet the corner of this rectangle. The tree don't have to be 90 degrees. So we have to right fillet, then enter. So after you right fillet, you need to type P in your keyboard, then enter. After you type P, then you hit the down arrow in your keyboard, then or you simply want to have to write R in your keyboard, or you need to select double, you need to tap double down arrow in your keyboard. After that, you need to select, you need to hit enter. After you hit enter, you need to select the value of the curve that you are going to for. For this purpose, I use 20, so you can type whatever you want. After I write 20, I have to hit enter. Then when you hover over your object, you can see how the shape will change. So the shape will be, this is good for our design. So what we are going to do is circle for the cup holder. So what we are going to do is select circle. After you select circle, the size will be around 90. 90. This is enough for the type to move. Then you need to move the object through this. So inside this tree, we also need to have another component. We can put the spoon at the right of the this cup holder. So what we need to do is we need to select rectangle. To select rectangle, we need to draw the rectangle. So what we have to do, first of all, we need to select the width. First of all, you need to type 40, comma. The length will be 150. Then you hit enter. So move to the upper side. So you need to type move. Select. So what we need to do after this object was created, you have to select fillet or fillet. This is the other way to select fillet. Then after you select fillet, you need to type for P for polyline, R for radius. You can use radius, but the easiest way is to use polyline, so you can hold multiple edges at once. So you need to select polyline. After you select polyline, select the second polyline, or it says radius. You can change the radius by typing R in your keyboard, or by dragging down your down arrow in your keyboard. So I want to move with this design. So I have to select this design. So I hover over the rectangle. After that, I can see how the object changed the edge of the rectangle. So this is good for our design. So I select it. After I select it, I have to move to the upper side. Move in and enter, select the object, then enter, and move a little bit to the upper side. So what we can do, you can put the text tab, then you can write whatever you want. This is mainly used for CNC designs. You can use it in your country. It will generate much amount of the time. Then select, it rotates the select reference point, then like this, move, select. You need to downside a little bit, then scale. If you want to scale it, you need to scale a little bit. So after I scale it, then move whatever I want. So this is the right way to do coffee table. Thank you for listening.